Hey there, hydraulic enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of hydraulic systems and explore the latest trends and technologies. Today, we're going to talk about counterbalance valves, their pros and cons, and what makes them unique. So, let's get started. So, what are counterbalance valves? Simply put, they're a type of hydraulic valve that allows fluid to flow in one direction while preventing it from flowing back in the opposite direction. This is crucial in applications where you need to control the motion of a load, like in cranes, excavators, or even elevators. Now, let's talk about the pros of counterbalance valves. One of the biggest advantages is their ability to provide a high level of safety in hydraulic systems. By preventing fluid from flowing back into the system, they reduce the risk of accidents and equipment damage. Additionally, counterbalance valves improve system efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and increase productivity. Of course, like any technology, counterbalance valves have their downsides. One of the main cons is their complexity, which can make them difficult to install and maintain. They can also be more expensive than other types of valves, and their high pressure drop can lead to energy losses. So, what makes counterbalance valves unique? Well, their ability to provide a high level of customization is one of their standout features. By working with manufacturers, engineers can design counterbalance valves that meet specific application requirements, making them an essential component in many hydraulic systems. That's it for today's video on counterbalance valves. We hope you learned something new and valuable about these important components. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.